So we have a basic N80T.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're watching the video right now, you already know what car this is. This is the N80T IS300. We did a few videos back. Still running strong. Smaller wastegate spring in it, and we actually built in a single 3-inch exhaust today. So that way we can get a couple full videos again with a full exhaust. Right now the exhaust isn't bad. It isn't obnoxious to have an open down pipe. I'm honestly, because I'm pretty sure it's because it's the treadstone short running cast iron manifold. And while I have the car here, we'll do a quick build breakdown for anybody with any questions on the actual setup and what parts are actually on the car. So we can run through that real quick before we even get started with building the exhaust.
So I believe this is a 2003 IS300. It is a true manual W55 IS300. It's not a manual swap. Pop the hood for you guys. Get this hood situated. Honestly, with this car, what you see is what you get. Don't mind this. We did have a vacuum leak. The cap I installed on here on the first build, well, when we first put it together, actually blew off. It was one of these caps that actually blew off. So that was pretty much just a jimmy rig so we could drive the car around and make sure everything was still good. So we have a basic N80T, VVTi top in stock, VVTi bottom in stock, stock rod, stock pistons. Everything is stock in the internal wise except for a 2JZ GTE head gasket and stock cylinder head studs. No ARP hardware at all in here, just because it's one of those. This car is not made to make power right now at this current state. It's just to have some boost, a little bit of power. We have an aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, 4 AN lines, PTFE AN lines rated for E85 on the return. The feed line is OEM. Is OEM line, is not PTF yet. The catch can, we still had to install the catch can, but you see the radium. Radium makes the exhaust side, it doesn't make the intake side. So with this side, I actually on the inside of that, where the PCV valve is, the float, I just took a drill bit, drilled through it, pulled the float out, so it's open to atmosphere right now. We just got to wire it to the catch can. The brake booster or brake module, whatever that name is, I'm not 100% sure. I'm not too familiar with the ISs. I pretty much just took the bracket apart and just bent everything that way. We are still going to do ABS delete. Well, it's the ABS module. We are going to do an ABS delete on here just to clean it all up. We do have the O2 sensor hooked up. I was told the O2 sensor is bad, so the check engine light is on. So we do have to replace the O2 sensor with an OEM O2 sensor. Borg Warner S366, I believe that is a billet wheel on there. The feed line comes from, the feed line came loose, look, so I gotta bolt that together again. So it just runs down to the bottom to a sandwich plate with a K&N oil filter. That oil filter actually has a fitting on the back, so that way it makes it easy to change the oil. So far as no leaks. As far as oil leaks, oil pressure is perfect. We have AEM gauges wiring in. Show you guys that this car's not on. So we had the fuel pressure, the AFR, oil pressure, and boost. And this is really not completely secure because it is an airbag behind here. So I put a bolt in and just cut it on the other side. I'm not 100% sure what he's going to do, if he's going to get the one that sits on the dash or not. It's a pretty clean car. Yep. So it's a treadstone manifold. The studs are OEM studs. I just cut those. He has to get aftermarket studs for the turbo manifold. Yeah, the intercooler is a CX Racer intercooler. You can't see it. So it's the one with the fat bottom in, and it gets skinny at the top to fit. OEM mass airflow sensor. So it's just stock. It's literally stock besides the fuel pressure regulator, a turbo, and a head gasket. That was like a quick rundown, but like I said, it's literally just a stock engine, just with a head gasket for insurance, because these are the thinner rods. But so far so good. It's running good. I think it's been a little bit like a month now or so, and no real problems besides the radiator cap. So with the radiator cap, the old one we had on here was broke underneath, so it bled coolant all over the place. But since then, we have, on that first test drive we did, run to the auto parts store and just grab a brand new radiator cap. But besides that, it was no problems. And I got my daughter Maya out here. She don't speak. There you go. Got my daughter Maya out here. She gonna help me as much as she can with the exhaust, but we're gonna be welding the exhaust, and I really don't want her laying on the ground getting all dirty with me. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead get this exhaust and everything mocked up, and we can go from there. All right, so we about to bolt. Am I in the shot? Can you see me in the exhaust? You sure? All right, we got Maya recording, so that cut us a little bit of slack. My baby it's the first time recording, so I got this set up. It looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna put it all together slowly but surely. So this is just pretty much a universal exhaust kit. I'm gonna hit Dante to actually see where he got this from, so I can put the link in the description. It's pretty much just a few bends and a couple straights. So it should be like 2 straights, 2 90s, 2 45 degrees, so forth and so on, just like the exhaust that I got on the GS, but this is actually 3 inches. And we got 2 V-band clamps. So the plan is to use this existing V-band clamp. I should have another V-band fitting in the garage to weld onto this. This right here would be the start of our mid pipe, and this will actually come from the down pipe. This is just how everything looks right now. So so we're actually going to start building the exhaust now. I'm gonna tack everything up, then pull it completely off and weld everything completely together. Hopefully I can get it done today. It's getting a little late in the day. I'm starting off super late on this, but it's cool. And then we'll drop the wastegate spring in the car, and we'll take the car for a test drive. I have a few O2 sensors, OEM O2 sensors I can stick in the downpipe just to see what it does as far as that lean condition we're having, because the O2 sensor is not working and the ECU needs the O2 sensor to work. So like I said, we'll just start off with the exhaust first. We should be good, Maya. Test drive tonight is gonna be too much. I don't want to piss the neighbors off. Sheesh, bro. What you doing with that? Sheesh, bro.
Do these lights work? Daddy, I think you gotta cut that down. It's too long.
Yeah, I am. I ain't cutting it tonight. I can't make too much noise now. It's too late. Yeah. Guys, so me and Maya finally knocked out the exhaust job on the IS300. So this is actually the first start. We don't even know how it sounds. How you think it's gonna sound, Fat? 9 out of 10. Give it 10 out of 10. What you got? She said she give it a 5 out of 10. That is horrible. Boo this man. Boo. All right, so jump in here and start it up and see what she sound like. All right, see what we got. Ooh, sheesh, it's hot. It's open. It's still a little loud. It's out the back now though. I mean, it's a 2J, baby. Sound good. Woo! Way more quiet, bro. Don't look at this. Don't look at me. I still gotta fix that, but I'm gonna get my test drive on. We're gonna fix this part as far as the ugliness, and we gotta go get a cap off for that, because that's just Jimmy rigged up. But sheesh. Maya, tap the gas real quick. It's the far right. Just tap it for me. The right, that's the left. Sheesh. One more, Fat. Sheesh. One more, Fat. About y'all, but that sounds really good to me. So we about to do a little test drive, see what happens. We'll see how she sounds and go from there. All right, guys. So this is the first test drive with the exhaust. It's not the first test drive with the car.
There the bugs come. There the tiny bugs come. Okay.
Might got hold it. All right, let's see.
He has one of the little things.
Yeah, it's gonna be the camera too close though.
Just gonna hold it.
So this part of the video is a bunch of hours later. This is actually the next day. The exhaust job turned out good, as you guys can already see. Car sounds impeccable. But I got good news. If you watched the video on the test drive, I already let you guys know that we are running the Link ECU, aftermarket ECU with the Panic jump harness for Dante's IS300. Best part about that is it came in and I got it in my possession. I'm gonna just give you guys a look, see what this thing looking like. There it is, guys. Link ECU with the Panic jump harness. It's plug and play, y'all. So this is for the IS300. So this is for the IS300. We got the injector connectors. We are going to drop the 440 cc's back in. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Drop down in the comment section. Let me know how you think the exhaust sounded. To me, it sounded good. Maya said it was a 5 out of 10. To me, it's a 10 out of 10, especially because I built the exhaust myself right here at the house. So, yeah, guys. I gave you a little taste of the next video or two coming up. But I'm going to let you guys go for now because I just got off work. And I got a bunch of things to do in the next 3 hours. So I'm about to just pretty much just take a nap. So, until next time, YouTube. Peace out.